Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Optus Modem WiFi not connecting troubleshooting guide. There's a special kind of frustration that comes from seeing a full Wi-Fi signal while absolutely nothing loads. If your Optus Modem Wi-Fi isn't working, don't panic just yet because a few simple checks can solve the problem surprisingly often. The first thing I do is start the modem, turn it off, unplug the power cable, wait about 30 seconds, then plug everything back in and give it a few minutes to reconnect. It sounds basic, but it's fixed more internet issues more than I'd like to admit. Next, check the cables and indicator lights on the modem. Make sure everything is firmly connected and look for any warning lights. If the internet light is red, flashing unusually, or completely off, the issue may be with the internet connection itself rather than the Wi-Fi network. I'd also test another device to narrow things down. If only one phone or laptop can connect, forget the Wi-Fi network on that device, restart it, and reconnect using the correct password. Finally, try moving closer to the modem and reducing interference from thick walls, microwaves, or nearby routers. If you're in a crowded area with lots of networks, changing the Wi-Fi channel can also improve stability and performance. In many cases, one of these quick fixes gets everything back online without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.